Hi everyone! Any question, please comment. Also, I put a book information as a link you can buy on Amazon. Okay, and don't worry about this page. Let's go to the next one. Tie. Tie is a curved line connected two notes on the same pitch, same note. This is C, that's a C, so it will be like this. C, C, half note, that's 4 beats, right? 2 beats, the tie, that means 4 beats. G, okay, here's the middle C, key, all right? From here, and go to the next page. This is going like this and to end. Number 5 on a G and 3/4. Remember time signature 3/4. You will have 3 beats each measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here comes tie. Another 1, 2, 3. So total 6 beats. But you don't want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because this is a new measure. So 1, 2, 3, just hold on, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, same thing with the end. All right, try it. 5 on the G, left hand, 1 on, what is this note? G, correct. Okay, so this here, again, C 5-finger scale. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G, C, G, E, G, C, D, E, F, E, D, E, D, C, D, 1, 2, 3. G, C, G, E, G, C, D, E, 2, 3. F, E, D, G, D, C, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's go to the next page. So, using a tie notes, but sometimes the tie could be across the line. 4/4. This is the same 5-finger scale. Number 1 on the middle C, right there. Okay, and left hand starts here. 1 on, remember this note? G. Okay, so here. All right, let's start. And you have a repeat sign, so you're going to play 2 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, C, D, D, F, D, F, G, F, E, G, F, E, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. C, D, C, D, D, F, D, F, G, F, E, G, F, E, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, next song. It says hold down the damper pedal. Okay, right foot pedal. Okay, if you have a pedal all the way to the right. Okay, push it down and play this piece. Okay, let's try 3/4. 1, 2, 3. E, C, D, together. 2, 3. G, D, C, 2. Repeat. E, C, D, G, 2 together. G, D, C, 2, 3 together. 1, 3 together. Okay, this is kind of new. 1 and 3 finger together, C and E. Let's go from here. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. Now octave higher. 1, 2, 3, and 2 octaves higher from here. 1, 2. This one. 1, 2, 3. That's a tie. While you are doing a tie notes, left hand comes in. 1, 2, 3. Right? Okay. Let's see from here. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A rest sign. Quarter rest looks like this. It's so hard to write, but I'll show you how to write the easy way. Quarter rest is one beat of silent, okay? Usually write like this. Kind of tilted over, and you're gonna have one hair sticking up, okay? So now you learned quarter rest, silence for one beat. Here is, I want you to look at like this. Go team, let's win. Go team, let's win. Team, let's win. Let's win. Win. Easy, isn't it? One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Go team, let's win. Go team, let's win. Team, let's win. Let's win. Win. Did you get it? The rest. Okay. Then that's gonna show in the music too. Here. And here. Okay. So you count 1, but don't play anything. Silent. C5 finger scales. Same thing. Same setting. 1, 2, 3, go. C, D, E, F, G, 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 F, E, D, C, C. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, F. Rest. G, G. Together. G, F, E, D. Rest. C, C. All right. Here's the next song, Princess or Monster. 4/4 and same setting. All 5 notes you're going to use, plus the rest is coming. Quarter rest. Here, here at the end. And then repeat. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C. Rest. C, D, F. Rest. D, E, G, G, F, E, D, C, rest, F, G, 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 C, rest, and G, F, E, D, C, rest, C, D, F, rest, D, E, G, left hand, G, F, E, D, C, rest, F, G, 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 C, rest. Good. Okay, let's see next song. This is the last song for this book. So this song, again, C5 finger scale. 4 beat, right? 4/4, yes. Okay, left hand, number 1 is on G. Number 5 on C. Okay, right hand is nothing. So start here. C, number 1. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, G, G, C, C, 4. C, C, G, G, E, C, G, G, C, 2, 3, rest. Ending 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, repeat. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times, gradually getting softer and softer. Let's play a little faster. Okay, march tempo, like walking. 1, 2, 3, go. Buggle boys, buggle boys. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, G, G, C, C, G, 2, 3, 4. C, C, G, 2, 3, 4. E, C, G, G, C, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop, hop, 1, 2, 3, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop, hop, 2, 3. One more time. A little bit softer. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop, rest, hop, rest, hop. 2, 3, 4. Did it? Good job. That's it. You finished this book. All right. In the last page, congratulations to put your name here. And whoever the teacher, maybe yourself, write it down. Or my name, Naoko, and today's date. Congratulations. So this is done. Now go to the next level, which is level 1. Follow me. Video is gonna come out every week. And you are having a free piano lesson with me. Isn't that great? See you next video.